5th standard, Shishikunj International School, Indore, and I have done a basic robotics course in Uplink.digital. And in that, I have learned 3 types of robot to make. First is the free running robot, second is the Bluetooth controlled robot, and the third is sense obstacle about a robot. And they have give me 2 types of kit. First is the robotics kit and the second is the components kit. And my teacher's name is Raghav Sharma, and he has taught me very well, and I want to learn more in robotics, and I love it. This is the third robot which I have made, and now and its name is Bluetooth controlled robot, and now I will tell you how it works. So in this button it goes like this, forward, and the backward button
Stop हो गई।